Hello everyone. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We are taking a look at the top 20 small cap stocks for 2024 according to the website MarketWatch. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to reveal each stock one by one, starting with number 20 and working my way to number 1. We're going to talk about upside price targets as well as take a look at each stock's chart so we can see how it's trading currently and what we might want to look out for in the near future. Please keep in mind this article was released on 12/26/2023, so all upside targets are going to be based on the close on 12/26, which was actually a couple days ago. So starting off at number 20, we have Digi International, ticker symbol DGII, which is in the communications equipment sector and has a total of 6 out of 6 buy rankings with an expected upside from MarketWatch of 38% compared to a potential price upside from THRY of 43%. And looking at DGII's chart, we can see that the company just recently broke out of a medium-term downtrend right here and is currently sitting above a long-term consolidation zone at about $25 to $26. And its one-year price target suggests that the stock should end at about $36.53. At number 19, we have Smart Global Holdings, ticker symbol SGH, with 4 out of 4 strong buys. This company is in the semiconductor sector and has a 40% upside according to MarketWatch and a 27% upside according to THRY. The stock is currently in an uptrend and is sitting in a long-term consolidation zone between $21 and about $19. From its most recent closing price of $19.36, there's still quite a bit of room left for this to close a gap from about $24 that occurred in mid-October. MarketWatch's 40% upside would suggest that this stock should end the year at $26.80. Next on the list is Talos Energy, TALO, which is an oil and gas exploration and production company that has 3 out of 3 buy ratings and has a 40% upside according to MarketWatch and a 47% upside according to THRY. This stock has recently broken out of a short-term downtrend but still has yet to break out of a medium-term downtrend and is currently sitting at the top of a consolidation zone between about $13.20 to $14.20. Should the stock hit its 40% upside expectation, you can expect TALO to end the year at about $20.30. Coming in at number 17, we have Ligand, ticker symbol LTHM, which is a lithium mining company that currently has 6 buy ratings out of a total of 10. MarketWatch's implied price upside is 41% compared to THRY's upside of 31%. And taking a look at Ligand's stock chart, we can see that it's broken out of a medium-term downtrend here and is currently coming up to test the bottom of a long-term consolidation zone between about $21 and $19. If MarketWatch analysts are correct, we can expect Ligand to end the year at about $25. Helix Energy, ticker symbol HLX, is next with 3 out of 3 strong buys. This oil and gas equipment and service company has an implied upside of 44% from both THRY and from MarketWatch. Its price chart looks constructive with a general uptrend, as well as a breakout from a recent pullback, plus a breakout and now retest of a consolidation zone around $10 per share. Using a 40% implied upside, we would expect this stock to end 2024 at about $15.30 per share. At number 15 and 1/4 of the way through our list, we have Pacira Pharmaceuticals, PCRX, which has 10 out of 10 buy ratings and a 46% implied upside from MarketWatch and a 44% implied upside from THRY. This stock just recently broke out of a fairly long-term downtrend and is sitting right in the middle of a consolidation zone between about $35 and $33. At the end of 2024, MarketWatch expects this company to end at about $49 per share. Next is Arlo Technologies, ticker symbol ARLO, and this electronic equipment manufacturer has 4 out of 4 buy ratings with an implied upside of 47% according to MarketWatch and 55% according to THRY. The company has been on a general uptrend throughout 2023 and has recently broken out of a 1 to 2 month pullback where it is currently contesting a resistance zone between $10 and $10.50 that dates back to its gap up in July. By the end of the year, MarketWatch analysts expect this company to end at $14 per share. At unlucky number 13, we have Patterson UTI, ticker symbol PTEN. And this oil and gas drilling company has 8 out of 10 buy ratings and an implied upside of 56% from MarketWatch versus 47% from THRY. The company is entering 2024 at the bottom of a prolonged pullback, and if it is able to escape the consolidation zone between $10.50 and $11.50, MarketWatch expects this company to end at about $17.50 by year-end 2024. Payoneer, ticker symbol PAYO, is up next, and this transaction and payment processing company has 6 out of 6 buy ratings and a 56% implied upside from MarketWatch compared to a 58% implied upside by THRY. Taking a look at the company's stock chart, we can see that it's been stuck in this flag pattern since September of 2023 and is looking to break out towards its 2024 year-end price target of $8.05. The oil and gas refining and marketing company Green Plains, ticker symbol GPRE, is next, and the company has 4 out of 5 buy ratings with an expected upside of 58% 48% from MarketWatch versus 42% from THRY. The company has been in a fairly extended pullback and is looking to retest and break out of its nearest resistance point at $27 per share. Analysts expect this stock to reach about $40.50 by the end of the year. And halfway there at number 10, we have Catalyst Pharma, ticker symbol CPRX. And this biotech company has 5 out of 5 buy ratings and a 58% implied upside from MarketWatch, as well as a 53% implied upside from THRY. The company struggled all of 2023, but has recently broken out in November and is rocketing up to test its nearest $18 resistance point. MarketWatch analysts expect this stock to end at around $27 per share by the end of 2024. Thrive Holdings, or THRY, is up next. And this small advertising company has 2 out of 2 buy ratings with an implied upside of 59% versus a quite different 20% upside from THRY. The company has gone mostly sideways since 2023, but has recently broken out over a medium-term downtrend and is aiming to break out over a $22 resistance, as well as a longer-term downtrend that would meet at about $23 per share. If we use MarketWatch's 59% upside as a target for 2024, that would imply an end price for Thrive at about $33 per share. At number 8, we have Ironwood Pharma, ticker symbol IRWD, and this biotech company has 4 out of 5 buy ratings and a 60% implied upside from MarketWatch, as well as a 63% implied upside from THRY. This stock is currently caught in a very large consolidation zone between about $11 and $12, but so far looks constructive as it is consolidating over a very long-term downtrend. By year-end 2024, analysts expect this stock to end at about $18 per share. Ligand Pharma, ticker symbol LGND, is next, and this pharmaceutical company has 3 out of 3 buy holdings and a 61% implied upside from MarketWatch and a 65% upside from THRY. And this stock has been on a tear recently, breaking out of a medium-term downtrend, rallying from about $50 per share all the way up to $76 per share. It currently finds itself in a long-term consolidation zone between about $77 per share and $68 per share, and by year-end, MarketWatch analysts expect this stock to end at $117 per share. Xperia Inc, ticker symbol XPER, is number 6 on our list, and this software company currently has 3 buy ratings and a 70% implied upside from MarketWatch versus a 90% implied upside from THRY. Taking a look at its stock, we see that it's currently meeting up against the bottom of a consolidation zone at about $11 per share, with its next zone of resistance coming at about $12 per share. If this stock does close as analysts expect, by the end of the year in 2024, it should be sitting at around $18.80 per share. And starting our top 5, MODV, ticker symbol MODV, has 4 out of 4 buy ratings, and this healthcare service stock has an implied upside of 72% according to MarketWatch and 61% according to THRY. The stock did spend the second half of 2023 consolidating and breaking out over several downtrends, and currently sits a few dollars below a long-term resistance of $50 per share. But if this stock grows as analysts expect it to, we can expect the stock to end 2024 sitting at about $76.75 per share. Number 4 on our list is the biotech company Dynavax, ticker symbol DVAX. It has 3 out of 3 buy ratings, and MarketWatch analysts expect this stock to grow by 79% versus an expectation of 90% growth from THRY. On the stock chart, we can see that this company has had a very healthy uptrend over 2023 and is currently consolidating between $13 and $15 per share. If MarketWatch analysts are correct, we can expect this stock to end 2024 at about $25 per share. And that leads us to our number 3 stock, Xencor, ticker symbol XNCR, which has 8 buy ratings to 1 sell rating and an implied upside of 90% from MarketWatch or 83% from THRY. This company saw a huge collapse through 2023, but it has recently rallied into a $22 resistance level. But should it break out, analysts expect this company to end the year at about $40.40 per share. And grabbing the silver medal is Arcus Biosciences, ticker symbol RCUS. This biotech company has 6 buy ratings to 1 hold rating and an implied upside of 126% from MarketWatch and 149% from THRY. The company is largely consolidated for all of 2023, but is currently sitting nicely above its resistance zone of about $18 per share and is currently looking to test a breakout of a long-term downtrend around $22 per share. If this stock breaks out, MarketWatch analysts expect this company to end 2024 at about $41.50 per share. And the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 stock on this list is Vir Biotechnology, ticker symbol VIR. This company has 7 out of 7 buy ratings and a ridiculously high expected upside of 217% from MarketWatch and 269% from THRY. So if we check out this company's stock price, we can see that since November, it's been in a rising wedge pattern. And should it break out, we could expect it to test the bottom of a gap down at around $14 per share before eventually ending 2024 at $32.30 per share if MarketWatch analysts are correct. And that has been the top 20 small cap stocks for 2024 according to MarketWatch. If you guys found this video informative, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And if you saw any company that you thought was interesting, please leave a comment down below letting me know which stocks you would like me to go more in depth on. And so with that, thank you again for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.